The Patrick Kane rape investigation taking yet another bizarre turn tonight.
I can no longer represent my client effectively and am withdrawing effective immediately.
The attorney for Kane's accuser calling it quits tonight, saying he is no longer confident in the story of how an evidence bag turned up earlier this week at the home of his former client's mother. We have team coverage on this story tonight, starting with 7 Eyewitness News reporter Hannah Buehler.
And Joanna, I just got back from Tom Eoannou's office, and tonight's developments, well, they're a bombshell to say the least. He is no longer representing the woman accusing Patrick Kane of rape. This 180 comes only a day after Eoannou went public, claiming evidence in this case was being tampered with. An evidence bag once believed to contain his former client's rape kit was reportedly dropped off at the home of her mother earlier this week. Following an internal investigation, Eoannou says he no longer believes the circumstances behind this story. However, after working with the Erie County DA's office, he says he can confirm the authenticity of the bag. Eoannou does not believe anyone will be charged in this particular incident.
I don't know how the bag got on the porch. I don't have confidence in the version that was provided to me. I was brought the bag by my client's mother, who explained to me how she found the bag, and my investigation reveals to me that I do not have confidence in that version.
What changed?
What changed? Our investigation looking into it revealed that there may have been some fabrications concerning the bag. And again, I don't know how that reflects, and I don't think it does, on what happened in the night in question. But I don't have confidence in the version I was given.
And despite tonight's turn of events, Eoannou says it doesn't diminish what his client says happened at Kane's Hamburg home last August. Now, earlier today, Erie County District Attorney Frank Sedita called a news conference to address these evidence tampering allegations. That is set for tomorrow at 11 a.m. We will be carrying it live right here on 7 ABC and WKBW.com. We continue our team coverage now with 7 Eyewitness News reporter Jill Perkins. She's live in Clarence, and she just spoke with Patrick Kane's attorney.
Good evening, guys. We're out here live in Clarence. As you mentioned, Cambria says tonight's developments point once again to his client Patrick Kane's innocence. Cambria pointed out once again that DNA testing results coming in earlier this summer indicated that none of his client's DNA was found on the alleged victim, and that whatever the issue is surrounding the story with this evidence bag, whatever issue came to light today or yesterday, is simply the accuser side of things trying to manipulate evidence.
Well, frankly, if you think about it, as I indicated yesterday, the science was clear. The testing that was done here, in my opinion, exonerated my client. And I think from the statements that Mr. Eoannou made today, somebody attempted to use him to fabricate or to obstruct and undermine the science, and he obviously now has made a very clear statement that ethically he had to withdraw.
Cambria said again tonight he feels Patrick Kane and his reputation have been victimized throughout this whole process. Back out here live, Cambria says at this point he feels the entire case should be halted. He doesn't want it to go to a grand jury, and that he feels that the district attorney will handle this part of the investigation appropriately. As we mentioned, Frank Sedita is expected to address this tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Tonight, I also asked Paul Cambria what could happen next, and he said what's not outside the realm of possibility is possibly filing a suit against the alleged victim for possibly defamation or things like that. For now, we're live in Clarence. Jill Perkins, 7 Eyewitness News.